How to view your page photos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your page photos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down. You will find pages and then click on your page here and then just here you will find it photos and you can find your albums here, and that's it is of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.